Hi, I'm Michael Maney, Vice President of Maintenance and Construction here at Cedar Point. So we're beginning the full assembly of the spike tower behind us, new steel columns, new steel track, the station structure. Canopy structure has been modified from its original version to make way for the new safety envelope coming through the station with a new track. Top Thrill 2 is getting a completely new color scheme. And as part of that color scheme, the blue you see behind me here is also going to be a part of this new station structure that will be our unload and load area for the new trains. Painting crews working at the top of the top hat structure right now as we continue to transform the new color scheme onto the existing tower structure. We have stators that are continuing to be installed and wired by our electricians. We have foundations that are continuing to be poured going in for our maintenance bay and storage tracks. We have many columns and track that are currently going in. Our launch track is fully installed. And as of yesterday, our fast switch has just gone in and been completed. We're continuing work with the spike tower coming up here very, very soon. Been working on this project for a really, really long time. Super excited to see it moving forward like this, and I hope you are too.